Most Kenyans view our iconic wildlife and endless savannas as a point of pride and part of our natural heritage. But what many don't see is that all our natural resources, from fertile soil to grow crops, to elephants that fuel our tourism industry, may become a finite asset unless we work now to protect them. Kenya's growing economy and population mean we are going to need more food, water, and power. If investments in infrastructure, energy production, and agriculture are done right, we can help Kenya meet its sustainable development goals while minimizing damage to the nature we all depend on. The Nature Conservancy is a global organization that is bringing practical, science-based solutions to Kenya and elsewhere in Africa. We bring decades of experience to the table to champion grassroots organizations that know the landscape best and work with leaders to make sustainable development a reality. Now, we're linking up with TNC's global network of experts and mobilizing around the priorities that address the greatest challenges facing people and nature. We started in Africa in 2007 by working with local partners and indigenous communities to protect Kenya's northern grasslands, and those efforts have now expanded to the North Coast and to the Masai Mara ecosystem. We know that by backing community-led conservancies and ensuring that people can benefit from wildlife protection, we can better conserve the natural assets we all need. That's why we played a key role in creating the Kenya Wildlife Conservancies Association, which is narrowing the gap between national wildlife policies and grassroots conservation efforts. On the coast, that looks like supporting communities to establish fisheries management plans and providing training in science-based monitoring tools. For coastal communities who rely heavily on healthy marine systems for food and income, these tactics are critical for long-term protection efforts. Kenya was proud to launch the Upper Tana Nairobi Water Fund in 2015, a first of its kind in Africa, which is now a model for dozens of water funds across Africa. Tens of thousands of small-scale farmers are implementing soil and water-saving measures that are helping ensure a sustainable flow of clean water for 9 million people. Helping landscapes and communities become more resilient to a changing climate has always been an important outcome of much of our work. Now, we are also reducing the country's contribution to climate change with sustainable forestry initiatives and helping communities earn money from protecting their carbon sink trees and grasslands. Together, our work has had a massive impact for landscapes, wildlife, and people in Kenya. We're building on these successes to change the future of conservation in Kenya at a large scale. We're working with other NGOs and government leaders on national policies that create better enabling conditions for community-led conservation, supporting the country's ambitious tree planting goals, and starting the process of mapping our ocean for long-term management. Right now is the time we must invest in our country's future and protect its natural assets for all its inhabitants. For we believe that if we take care of nature, then nature will take care of us.